Hello alien traders, and welcome to a new video in which we will talk about AliEco Calendar News Expert Advisor, an intergalactic expert advisor for MT5. This expert advisor is part of our project Alien Traders Hub, and practically it trades in an automatically way the economic calendar news from MQL. So you can find the calendar news right here on the bottom of the MT5 platform, and it uses all the information from this calendar news. Be aware that there are so many calendar news, for example Forex Factory, investing and so on, and the priority or the importance of the news can be different from this calendar news. So when you are placing orders or when you are monitoring the news events, be aware of the importance of this calendar. You can find it right here on the bottom of your platform. So you don't need to be in front of the computer all day long. If you want to place your trade at a specific time in a specific day, the economic calendar trading is for you, and maybe this expert advisor will help you to achieve your goals. How it works: this expert advisor uses a basic strategy that places orders, pending orders, buy orders or sell orders a few seconds before the news releases, and immediately after an order is activated, the expert advisor deletes all the pending orders. So you will have only one order in place when you are trading economic news. Of course, that the expert advisor comes with a lot of features, a lot of risk management possibilities and so on, but we will discuss this in the next slide. What I want to underline is that with the new updates, this expert advisor comes with a mini panel that allows you to trade manually, to place orders manually, for example buy, sell at market price, to establish the percentage of the balance for your risk, to place buy, sell limit orders or buy, sell stop orders at a specific distance from the current price, and also to close all the orders and all the pending orders from the platform. So this is a new feature. This is a bonus, let's say, at Ali Trading News Expert Advisor. How to use AliEco Calendar News Auto Trader like any other expert advisor. Just drag your expert advisor on your chart, place your inputs, and then press OK, and the expert advisor will do the work for you. If you want to trade all the news, you have to keep your platform open. If you close your platform, the robot will stop working, or you can use a VPS to keep your robot ongoing. When the news arrives, the expert advisor places orders. Once an order is triggered, the AliEco trader cancel all the pending orders and start to manage your trades. Let's see the options for AliEco Calendar News. This expert advisor has 5 sections, and we will talk about all of them. First, it's the EA settings, then the news settings, then the pending order settings, risk management settings, and the last one, advanced settings for security reason. In the first section, you can find the expert advisor settings. So you have the option to allow the robot to trade for you, to place the orders or not. If you want to use only the panel, you can turn off this robot and you can use the panel that comes together with this expert advisor. If you want to use the robot, then you have to set right here true. Another important thing, and I think it is the most important thing, set a unique number right here at the expert number. You can place any number, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, whatever number you want. Why? Because when you are input your trade management settings, this expert advisor recognize the trade placed by it by this unique number, and it starts to scale out to trail your stop and so on based on this number. If you are using the expert advisor on many charts and you let the same number, the expert advisor will start to trail your stop or to do the risk management to all the trades that have this magic number, and maybe on other charts you don't want to do it. So if you place the expert advisor on more than one chart, please on each chart set a unique number. News event section. Here you can choose your news event importance that you want to trade. I highly recommend you to trade only high importance news. Be aware that the news importance is the one from the MQL calendar that can be different from other calendar. If you select moderate, the expert advisor will execute all the orders with moderate and high importance. If you are selecting low, the expert advisor will place order for all the low importance and moderate and high. So with red you have high importance news, with orange you have medium important news, and with gray low importance news. Be aware that if you choose calendar importance none, the EA will trade all the events that has the importance higher than none. So it will trade the low importance, the moderate importance, and the high importance. So if you want to trade all the news, you select none, but it is not recommended. In the currency section, please write the currency like you can see right here in the currency section. For example, if you want to trade this news, new home sales from US, you can see that the currency is USD. So you select high importance news and then you write right here USD. Place the expert advisor on a chart with a currency pair that involves the USD, such as Euro USD, USD CAD, and so forth. If you don't complete the currency right here and you let this space empty, the expert advisor will trade all the currency with high importance news. Be aware of this. Pending order settings. Here on seconds before news to place orders, specify the number of seconds before the news releases when the EA should execute the orders. For example, 30 seconds before news or 60 seconds before news, and so on. Minutes for order expiration. This section determines the duration in minutes after which the order should be cancelled if they haven't been triggered. Points above price for buy stop order or sell stop order. Indicate the numbers of points above the current price for placing buy stop, and right here below the current price for sell stop order. Start trade from hour plus minute limits the trades only to the news displayed after the set time. End trade at hour plus minute limit the trades only to the news that occur until the set time. For example, the majority of the US high importance news are between 3:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. my time. But I observed that the news displayed at 5 p.m. don't offer me a good win rate. In this case, I can limit my expert advisor to place orders only for the US high importance news between 3 and 4 p.m. The EA will know that it shouldn't place orders at 5 p.m. Other example, we all know that the US interest rates are followed by the press conference, which is also displayed with red in the economic calendar. To limit the EA to trade only the interest rates number but not the conference, we can set a start hour 5 minutes before the interest rates number and end hour 5 minutes after the interest rates number. Risk management. This is the TP for the pending orders. This is the SL for the pending order, so define the number of points for your stop loss or take profit level. Here is the position side. You have to choose between percent or fixed. If you wish to calculate the lot size automatically based on percentage, you choose percent. If you want to specify the fixed lot, you choose right here fixed. If you are choosing risk percent, you write right here the percentage that you want to risk on this trade. If you are selecting fixed, you have to write right here the fixed lot. If you want to move your stop loss at break even after a certain point in profit, select true and then insert the number of points. For example, right here 300. That means that if the price goes 300 points in profit, my stop loss will be moved at break even. Trailing stop. If you want to use the trailing stop, select true. This is points for trailing stop loss trigger. That means that the trailing stop loss will start after 300 points in profit. You can write right here 100, 200 and so on. And after the trigger is reached, your stop loss will follow the price 150 points distance. Scale out. If you want to scale a certain percent for the volume, select true. Here you can write the number of points in profit. If you are 200 points in profit, the expert advisor will scale 50% of your volume. And the last section, advanced security settings in case of slippage. In the mini course about trading economic news, we talked about challenges that can occur during the economic news trading. One of them was spread and another slippage. And this is a huge issue for trading economic news. And that's why I did these advanced security settings, because in case of slippage, if your pending order is 150 points distance, but your execution is bad, it's at 200 points, not at 150, then the distance between the entry level and the stop loss increases. So the risk percentage is not 1%, it's more than 1. And this can cause some issues. That's why in case of slippage or in case of a big spread, if the order is not executed at your level, let's say 100, and it's executed at 150, after the order execution, you have this possibility to adjust your stop loss and take profit. If you select right here true and you enter right here SL points and TP points, the stop loss will be moved this number above or below your entry price, and TP this distance from your entry price. This is a huge advantage for trading economic news. And also, in case of bad execution from broker, let's say there is no liquidity and your stop loss can be executed and your price goes way below or above your stop loss, and in case your balance drop more than 2%, let's say, the trades will be closed as soon as possible. So you have right here a maximum drawdown for this trade. You can select 1, 2, 3 or whatever you want. I have this warning. We already discussed results may vary due to factors such as slippage or spread, which can cause different execution level. But to optimize your results, I really recommend to use a raw spread or razor account to limit your risk to 1% of your capital, to focus only on high importance news. Please note that the economic calendar news cannot be tested in MT5 tester. However, I coded an expert advisor in which I manually introduced the dates for the high importance news, so you can test for USD, for example. Also, be aware that when you are trading, you are the only responsible for this. We are providing you a program that places order for you. We are not providing liquidity. We are not promising profit. We are providing only a program. It is your responsibility how you use it. To achieve optimal results, we highly recommend to test this EA on a demo account on the same broker that you want to use for the future live account, and to use the right parameters. Do your job, collect your data like you saw in the economic calendar trading mini course. Collect your data, set your parameters, and trade with a plan. The results can vary depending on the parameters. While news event trading may have a high winning rate, it's important to remember that trading always involves risk, and by using this expert advisor, you acknowledge and accept this risk. It is crucial to exercise proper risk management and trade responsibly. I have some example right here for this expert advisor. Right here we have interest rates for euro. Here is USGDP. Here is NFP, entry, scale out and take profit. Here is US job openings, PMI. And we have more and more example on our Discord and social media. That's it. I'm Ali. Thank you for watching.